Alright, this is number 3 in the what is that? What is a? This is what is a screwdriver. Well, a screwdriver is something you use to undo screws, so they come in all sorts of different sizes. This is just a selection of some. So basically there's two types. There's a normal screwdriver with a flat end, and obviously you put the screwdriver in the slot of the screw and turn it. Maybe I have to do another video to show how that's done, but it's turned clockwise to turn it in, anti-clockwise to undo it, and that's the flat end screwdriver. The other type is called a Phillips head, which is shaped like that, and the slots go into the screw. It has the similar markings, and you turn it clockwise to turn anti to unturn. You can get magnetic ended ones to help lift up the screw. You can get electric ones that are insulated, really small ones for small screws. But yes, that's a selection of screwdrivers and what you can do with them.